Welcome back to the Home Edition series. In today's video, we're moving forward with one of the most important parts of construction, building the footings for the crawl space. Step 4, footing construction. After relocating the electrical meter, the first major step in building a crawl space is preparing the footings. Footings are the foundation for the walls. They transfer the weight of the house safely into the ground. Step 1. Set up footing forms. We start by digging trenches to the correct depth according to the engineer's plan. Then we install forms to shape the concrete and place the reinforcing steel, or rebar, inside the forms. Step 2. Call the county for footing inspection. Before pouring any concrete, we must call the county for a footing inspection. The inspector checks depth and width of the footing, placement and size of rebar, proper clearance from soil and property lines, correct location of any anchor bolts or hold downs. Nothing can be poured until the inspector gives approval. Step 3. Pour concrete and cure. Once approved, we pour the concrete into the footing forms and smooth it out. Then we allow it to cure for at least 24 to 48 hours, depending on local code and weather conditions. And that wraps up the footing construction process. With a solid foundation in place, we're ready to move on to the next phase of the build. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next step in our Home Edition journey.